Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies and I are going to build this airplane. But first we need to take it apart. And look who's come to have a look. Do you recognize this paw? It's Kitty. In order to take the plane apart, we need the proper tools. Here's our Phillips screwdriver. And we can remove the screws using this. I also need something to take the nut off the wheel, but I don't think I have the right tool. You see how the nut on the wheel is different from the screw on the front of the plane. Oops! Sorry, Tinky, Winky, and Dipsy. You fell off the wing. Let's have a look in our toolbox to see if we have the right shape to take that nut off. Let's see, we've got a drill. This could be handy if the piece from our screwdriver fits. Let's see. It does fit. All right, we have a power tool now to take our plane apart. There's a saw, but we don't need that. What else is in here? A level. You need to get the green ball right in the middle if you want something level or even. The toolbox isn't level. The ball just keeps rolling to the side. Oh well, let's see what else is in here. What's this? Ooh, it's a tape measure. Let's measure the toolbox. It is 12 inches. That's as far as our tape measure pulls out. And then when we're done, we just wind it back up. And here's another measuring tool. This says it's metric, which means these are centimeters. That 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. And our tape measure was in inches. They're bigger than centimeters. Almost 2 centimeters make an inch. See? There's a wrench and another screw. That might work with our airplane. And another bolt. I don't think it's the right size though. There's another screwdriver piece. It's a flathead. Oh, a Hot Wheels car. And, oh, a little dinosaur. Roar! And another toy. It's from McDonald's. It looks like a shirt. Has a number on it. I think the numbers change when you click the side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it goes to 0 again. Well, we better put all the tools back. And now we can take our airplane apart. Let's start using our drill. It's not spinning. Maybe we need to make it go the other way. Nope, still not budging. I guess the screw is too tight for the drill. It's not powerful enough because it's just a toy. So we'll have to do it by hand with our screwdriver. We'll loosen it a bit. And now we'll try our drill. Oh, I just tightened it. Reverse. Perfect. We need to take each screw out. Wow, we have a lot of pieces to put back together. It's almost like a puzzle. These kind of toys are great for kids. They can learn how to put something together all on their own. Tiny Treasures Mini takes it apart and puts it together over and over again. There, now our propeller works. Oops, oh dear. We still have to add a few more screws before our airplane is stable. And remember that tool we were looking for to put on the wheel? We didn't end up finding it, so we're just going to use our hands. Now we just need to add on the back wheels. The airplane is ready to fly. Teletubbies can go for a ride. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today I'm excited to show you my new Teletubbies Mega Bloks toy. And this is a nice soft mat. And as you can see, this is inside the Teletubby house. And there is some Tubby toast popping out of the toaster. And the Teletubbies can sit down and have some toast. We also have the Tubby Custard machine and the light tower in the middle of their house. So let's put our little Mega Bloks together down on the mat. Let's start out by making the Tubby Custard machine. So there's a big hole in the bottom so that it can sit and rest on these little Mega Blok nubs on the mat. And then we have one of the little parts for the Tubby Custard machine and the second little part with the lever. So now the Teletubbies can make Tubby Custard. Next, we're going to make our Tubby Toaster. So the Tubby Toaster has two pieces here. We've got two green pieces that go together like that. Each have some Tubby toast on the side there. There goes the Tubby Toaster right there. We're also going to build our little tower. And here are the pieces to our tower. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the little buttons and lights. And then there's the top that sort of looks like a crown. So we will put that there. And we've got a little extra piece here with all of the Teletubbies' favorite things. The hat, the scooter, the ball, and the purse. Let's put that right there. And the Teletubbies are about to sit down to eat some Tubby Custard. Tubby Custard! Tubby Custard! Tinky Winky's gonna make Tubby Custard. And Poe is going to make some Tubby Toast. Tubby Toast. And Lala is going to sit and relax. Lala! And we don't know where Tinky Winky is, or Dipsy. Dipsy is missing, so we only have Lala, Poe, and Tinky Winky. Okay, Tinky Winky and Poe have made the Tubby Toast, and they're going to sit down and join Lala. Tubby Toast, Tubby Toast! And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures and setting up our new and old Teletubbies Mega Block set. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies are taking a trip to the little pool. There's a lifeguard there and the Teletubbies must follow pool safety rules. First, we're going to put on our SPF 30 sunscreen. We don't want a sunburn. The Teletubbies have been playing in the garden, so they're dirty, and the first rule is to shower before you go in the pool. We want to keep the water in the pool clean. Uh-oh, Lala, you can't be below the slide. The lifeguard blew the whistle and Lala needs to move. Somebody's about to come down. You don't want them to hit you, Lala.
Thanks for moving.
No food in the pool, Po. The lifeguard blows his whistle and Po removes the food from the pool. No throwing the pool toys down the slide. The slide is only for people. Dipsy, it's not safe to go headfirst down the slide. Remember, it's always important to follow safety rules, especially at a pool. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. It's that time again where the Teletubbies need a bath. And this time we're going to make a nice warm bubble bath for them. Kitty is curious, of course, but as we all know, cats typically don't like water. So she's just going to watch today. Let's begin by filling our bathtub. We make sure it's not too hot. Add some bubble bath. And it's all ready, Teletubbies. I've checked the temperature and it's just right. Ooh, there is a few dirty marks on Dipsy. Keep your head above water, Dipsy, so you can breathe. Baths can be very fun and relaxing. But remember, Tiny fans, if you're young, you make sure a parent is always watching you in the bathtub. Let's see, Lala is pretty clean, but we'll put her in anyways. And finally, Tinky Winky. Oh yes, Tinky Winky, your face is quite dirty. Even though there are bubbles in the bathtub, we still need to use soap and scrub our skin to make sure we get the dirty spots off. Here's our yellow soap with a pirate in the middle. Once we're all finished with the soap, we'll get a pirate toy. You want to be careful not to get soap in your eyes because sometimes it can sting. Close your eyes, Teletubbies. Now I have a little cut on my thumb, and they tend to sting when you get your cuts wet. But it doesn't hurt it, and if you want to protect it with a Band-Aid, it'll hurt less in water. Sometimes if we soak our skin in water, it will dry out. So we're going to add one of these bath beads. They have scented oil in the middle. This will make the Teletubby skin nice and soft. Look at all of the colors. They're in the shape of footballs. They smell so good. Let's see, which color should we choose? We have a lot of orange, so yeah, I'll put an orange one in. It'll slowly dissolve and release the oils. It's very slippery. We'll keep our eye on that later. But we also need to add toys. Toys are very fun to play with in the bathtub. Oh, look at our bath bead. Oh my goodness. It's almost completely dissolved. It's like slime. Ooh, and you can see the oil floating on the top of the water. Did you know oil and water don't mix? And oil always floats on the top of water because it's less dense. This bath smells so good. I think you've been in there long enough, Teletubbies. I've got the little mini towel And who's ready to come out first? Lala. She's super clean now. We dry her face, and she's pretty clean. Let's give her a smell. You smell super clean, Lala. Next, we will get Tinky Winky. He has bubbles in his face. Good thing these are kid-friendly bubbles so they don't sting the eyes. Next is Dipsy. Oh, and look at what Dipsy's done. He's put a beard on him with the bubbles. Ho, ho, ho. You remind me of someone. Bye-bye, beard. And finally, Po. Po seems to get really cold after a bath, so she wraps herself up in the big thick towel, and it keeps her warm. And this is what's left of our bath. Oh, and we got to take our toys out. Can you see the dirt on the bottom of the bathtub? And there is the rest of our bath bead. We'll need to take that out too, so it doesn't clog the drain. Now here's a question, Tiny fans, before we say goodbye. When I was filling the tub with water, did you see whose reflection was in the tap? If you didn't, go back and have a look. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. It's story time, and today we're going to read Teletubbies, Time for Teletubbies. And you can see there's Lala, Dipsy, Tinky Winky, and Po. Ayo! Time for Teletubbies. Ayo! The Teletubbies want to show you some of the colors in Teletubby Land. Po goes first. Po loves the color red. Look, she has a red balloon. The Teletubbies want to see the balloon fly away. Bye-bye, balloon. Next, Lala wants to show you something orange. Can you guess what it is? It's a big orange ball. Lala and Po bounce the ball up high. Where does it go? The ball bounces up, up, high in the sky. Next, Tinky Winky wants to show you something. It makes something pink that's fun to eat. Can you guess what it is? It's the Tubby Custard Ride. Look, it's making lots of pink Tubby custard bubbles. Dipsy is green, but he loves black and white. Can you guess why? Dipsy loves black and white because his hat is black and white. All the Teletubbies are looking up. What do they see? It's a heart in the big blue sky. There is one thing in Teletubby Land with lots of colors. Can you guess what it is? It's a rainbow. Bye-bye. And that's the end of our story, Tiny fans. Thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.